there, it's Natalie Critchley from nataliecritchley.com in Northern Virginia. Thanks for being here. Today I'm going to do my first book review. But before we get started, if you'd be so kind as to hit that red subscribe button, we would love to have you as a part of our online family channel. So with that being said, let's get started. My first book review. Here it is, the last week in December of 2018, and I'm going to start doing a book review. I'm going to do one book review a month, and it's going to be all about digital marketing, online marketing, whatever. I'm just going to pick some books and I'm going to read them and I'm going to share, because I'm a learner. I'm a curious learner. I love learning new things. I admit I'm a shiny object purchaser, which is a bad thing, but I'm getting better. But I wanted to share this book because 2 years ago, when I was trying to figure out how to make money online, the author of this book started a platform that really intrigued me. And with that being said, he then followed up with a book a few months later that really connected the dots for me. So this isn't a new book. This book is about 18, I think it's been on the market about 18 months now, but the book is called Legendary Marketer, and the author is David Sharpe. He's the CEO of Legendary Marketer, and Legendary has been around since January of 2017. This book is an easy read. It's just easy to read. As you can tell, I've pinked and yellowed and earmarked and the whole 9 yards, sticky notes everywhere. But it was really important for me to try to connect the dots, right? That's the one part, newbies. It's so hard to connect the dots. And the gurus are out selling all these products and programs and products and programs, but not connecting the dots for people, just taking their money and selling them more stuff that doesn't make any sense because you haven't connected A and B yet to even get to C. And I was one of those people. I was buying products. I was thinking I was going to do something with them, but I could never get it going. And when I read this book, when I joined Dave's platform and I read this book, everything started to make sense, because on page 111, I put a big circle around this paragraph. You're getting a completely done-for-you marketing system that can attract leads and convert them into sales. Will nurture your sales and your customers and encourage them to buy and buy again, even buy higher ticket items. That for me was like, whoa, okay, this makes sense. I am not about making all $18 commissions or a $20 commission. I wanted to make $1,000. If you're going to learn marketing, right, why spend all your time marketing for teeny tiny commissions when you can market premium price products? And Dave kind of showed me what a value ladder was. He took me through the process. I totally understood it. It made sense to me. The dots were connecting. And this book just solidified the dots, right? It became clear. The blueprint was now in front of me. So then it was, okay, Dave's giving me a capture page. He's giving us 45 email sequences, the video sales letter. He's got a team of advisors who are helping coach close sales. And people are upgrading all the time. That made sense. That was like the best thing that could have happened to me, because then all I'm responsible for is marketing. I just got to drive people to all of that great information and let the great information and those advisors on the back end do their magic. That's what I was looking for. And this book was just icing on the cake for me. It just really helped me put all the pieces together. And it's been, like I said, I use it all the time. I go back to it. It's my digital diary book that I will go back and open up and read a few things, and it's like, woohoo, got it. But for you, this book might be an opportunity for you to think about. Maybe you've been thinking about a second stream of income. Maybe you need a little side hustle. Maybe you need a little something to, help pay for your kids' college or your grandkids' college, or help you into retirement. Listen, not everybody can afford college. Not everybody can afford just living off one stream of income. We're living longer. We've got retirement's looming. It's near for me. And it's like, I need more money to retire. We don't know how long we're going to live, right? So it becomes this unbelievable challenge of, how do you have enough money to last? And for most people don't have enough money with their real job, let alone they're trying to figure out how they're going to make it work in retirement. So I have been looking and searching and trying to figure out, and it just finally worked for me. But I just wanted to share this book because, one, if you're a newbie and you're trying to figure out how to make money online and you're looking for a book that can help answer some questions, this is a free book. All you're doing is paying for shipping. I'll put a link below and you'll be able to just click the link. You can put your name and number in there and it's just going to ask you for your credit card for shipping. But it might open your eyes to a new way to make some money, not only online, but just a new way to make money, right? If you're going to trade time and money, right? Would you rather be home learning a new skill, getting online, and making some money? Or do you feel compelled to have to go work at a retail store and make 10, 12 bucks an hour, whatever it is, and give back your time for that 10 or $12 an hour? I mean, let's be real. Digital world's not going away. Everybody needs to know how to get online, how to use a cell phone, use a computer, use a laptop, how to do those things that can generate money, because at the end of the day, you control your destiny. So, I just can't say enough about the digital online world and how it's opened up my eyes and how it's allowed me to make some extra money. And this book was a big piece of it. So again, the link is below. Check it out. Would love to hear a comment. Comment, click, like, share it. If you know somebody who's looking for a good read, and I'm happy to answer any questions that you might have, but I just think this might be the answer for anyone trying to get online in 2019 to make some extra money, to make their situation better, to help their finances, and help them hit their goals, right? 2019 is almost here. You've got a set of goals. How are you going to get to those goals? How are you going to achieve those goals? Is money a part of a goal? Most people, financial goals are super important. How are you getting there? This might be a vehicle to get you there. So with that being said, thanks so much. We appreciate you being here. If you found some value, click that red button, hit the bell, and you'll get videos as we release them. Again, have a safe and happy new year, and we will see you in 2019. Take care.